This video is sponsored by Rizloan. Visit rizloan.com to learn more.
For some emissions-related repairs like oxygen sensors and catalytic converters, a lot of time can be spent confirming the repair by trying to complete a vehicle emissions monitor test. To complete or force the monitor requires driving the vehicle under specific conditions. The emissions drive cycle, well, it might include getting the vehicle up to closed-loop operation temperatures and performing 4 to 5 periods of accelerating from 30 to 45 miles an hour. Other manufacturers might require driving on the freeway at specific speeds. One of the most challenging monitors to complete is the monitor for the catalytic converter, or the catalyst monitor. This monitor, it's tracking the signals from the upstream and downstream oxygen sensors to determine if the catalyst is operating efficiently and reducing hydrocarbons and other combustion byproducts into less environmentally harmful compounds. If the catalyst is underperforming, it might be a sign the catalyst is contaminated or damaged by a component upstream. The engine management system, it will grade the catalyst using the 2 oxygen sensors and give it an efficiency score. If the efficiency score is below a set threshold, it could prevent the catalyst converter monitor from completing. If the efficiency is scored low enough, it will set a code for efficiency, which is P4020. Even a pending P0420 code will prevent the oxygen sensor and even the EVAT monitors from completing, and you just drove around for nothing. There is no wiggle room for catalyst converter efficiency scores. These numbers are set in stone, and every percentage point matters. To tip the scales in your advantage when you are trying to complete an emissions monitor drive cycle, you can use all the help you can get. Rizloan's CAT Complete Fuel, Exhaust, and Emissions System Cleaner has high-performing detergents and heavy-duty cleaning solvents that effectively scrub and remove contaminants like soot, carbon buildup, and oily combustion chambers. It can even clean turbos, EGR passages, catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and the exhaust system. These, along with other active chemical agents, react with the gases created in the combustion chamber process to remove the remaining inorganic deposits. This process restores their functionality, and with regular use, they maintain efficiency. The next time you are trying to complete an emissions readiness monitor, try a bottle of Rizloan's CAT Complete to make your post-emissions repair test drive as productive as possible. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.